Hello, my friends from around the world. If you look at one of my earlier videos, I ordered the Coach 39 in the tan suede. But when I ordered it, I ordered that bag from Macy's and it did have a stain on it, so I returned it. And I reordered the 39, not the same color. It came today. I took advantage of Coach's sale. So this is an unboxing. Let's see what color we got. Hang around. This is Mrs. DLC. A Coach unboxing is underway. I'm ready, y'all. I took my contacts out and to give my eyes a little rest, have my little Coach spectacles here, and I am ready for this unboxing. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hope we can have a good angle here. And there she is, the Coach recycled box. This is how it is wrapped. And we will unveil her. Have the Coach thank you card here. And here we go. Let's see. Time for the unveiling. Have the Coach dust bag. And let's see what we have here. I'm gonna untie her. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm probably putting more knots in the bag. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, here we go. It is Mrs. Bluebell. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I have a, let's see. Let me get this. There we go. Had to untie that. Oh, right. So I ordered her from the Coach retail website. This is the 39, the Bluebell. All right, and let's see. The color is not. Now, if you can see, I did order, you see up here where I'm pointing, get my fingers right. I do have the 28 in the Bluebell, which I do love that one as well. So let's see for size. Let me see if I can scoot back a bit. See how, let me see if I can tilt a bit. All right, so I really like this. Okay, I don't feel like I have to be as careful as I thought with the suede. And I do like the blue because, oh, look, I have my jean jacket on. I think this will be really great with some jeans, just a casual look. And I'm going to tell you, I've been carrying my 28, the dark ruby 28, and I'm going to have to do a what's in my bag for that because you will not believe what fits in there. I hope you can still hear me. I'm just talking. And yes, this is a great look. She is packed in here. Let's see, let's take some of her stuffing out. It's nice and soft. Oh gosh. This is some excitement. Full grain leather. See that? Oh yeah. Yeah, she's a keeper. She's a keeper, y'all. I'm sorry, I was really examining the bag. The 39 retails for I think it's $4.95. This one, the Bluebell, is on sale on, well, when I purchased this, it was on sale for $2.97, I believe it was. So yeah, so I was able to get this for $2.97. So retail is $4.95. I'm sorry, $4.95, and I was able to get it for $2.97. And she has the interior pocket here, and just a big open space here. There is a Coach tag in there. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. So I did say that I'm looking to carry this more like casual. So I also, on the weekends sometimes, I just want to, if I'm running around for errands and it'll be really casual. I purchased the Coach cap, so in the denim, which I think will pair very well with my Brooklyn bag. I did get a little flack on one of my videos where I didn't tell the people what it is. This is a Coach Brooklyn 39. The color is Bluebell. Let's see. Now this cap. I'm thinking what I can do is maybe like carry it here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. She's a keeper. She's a keeper. What you think? All right, guys, drop in a comment, like, share the video. I think I'm going to love this. I cannot wait to do a what's in my bag for this beauty, the Bluebell Coach Brooklyn in the size 39. I am going to love it. I know. I already love the 28, but I'm really going to love the 39 because I am a big bag girly. So I'm excited about what I'm going to be able to fit in here. All right, talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you back the next time. This is Mrs. DLC.
Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.